Doveweed is a summer annual that often goes unnoticed until it's already flowered and produced seed for the next season. Once established, it spreads quickly with its stolons and will create mats of tough weeds. In this video, we'll go over how to identify doveweed, how to get rid of it, and how to prevent it from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Because of its appearance, doveweed often blends easily into warm season turf. Its grass-like leaves are particularly thick, and they grow up to 4 inches long with parallel veins. Doveweed grows prostrate along the ground and will spread via stolons, forming mats of weeds. It becomes more distinguishable when it flowers in the summer, producing small, white, or lavender flowers with 3 petals. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Doveweed is a summer annual that germinates when the soil temperatures warm to 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in spring. It produces flowers during the summer. This plant thrives in moist soil with poor drainage or that sees frequent rainfall and irrigation. Doveweed thrives in sites that sit low to the ground and collect water, like lawns, landscape beds, container nurseries, and agricultural fields. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. To eliminate doveweed on commercial or residential properties, use a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled not to injure your property's desired turf. Since doveweed is a problem more commonly seen on warm season lawns, we recommend you use Celsius WG Herbicide. This product offers broad spectrum control of broadleaf and grassy weeds on many types of warm season grasses. To treat doveweed, mix the labeled rate of 0.133 ounces or 3.2 grams of the product with 1 gallon of water to treat every 1,000 square feet of treatment area. We recommend you mix and apply your solution with a handheld sprayer or a backpack sprayer. Spot treat any carpet grass you found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated, and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. Reapplication intervals with Celsius WG range from 2 to 4 weeks after the initial treatment. Applications are most effective when the plant is young and actively growing before flower or seed production. Do not use this product over Bahia grass or cool season turf. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. Doveweed is an annual weed that grows from seed every season, so the best way to prevent it is by applying a pre-emergent herbicide like Specticle G. Specticle G Pre-Emergent Herbicide will form a chemical barrier in your soil that will prevent weed seeds from sprouting and emerging. You'll apply 2.9 to 4.6 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. After application, water in the product with at least ½ an inch of water. Make an application in the fall or early spring before soil temperatures rise. An additional application may be made after 6 months for year-round weed prevention. In addition to pre-emergent herbicides, we also recommend you promote the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass is better able to choke out weeds and prevent them from establishing. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop doveweed from establishing, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.